Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining in today. So today we're going to be making some delicious dahi balla. They are so delicious, so yummy, and extremely easy too. So to get started, we're going to need some besan, which is chickpea flour. So you need 2 cups. We need some baking soda, baking powder, some hot water that's in the kettle. We have some red chili flakes, or you can use some chili powder. We have some salt, and you're also going to need some oil to fry in. So we're just using some vegetable oil. Starting off with 2 cups of besan or chickpea flour, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda and baking powder. So both 2 teaspoons. Also to this, we're going to add 3 teaspoons of salt, but you can add more or less to your liking. And also 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes. So you want to mix that all around. And then we're going to add some hot water to this, and we just boil this in the kettle. And we added around 2.5 cups, but you just have to see the mixture consistency at the end. It's going to be like pancake batter, so you might need a little bit more, a little bit less. So just add a little bit at a time to make sure it's like the right consistency that you'll be seeing here in a moment. So it should be like this. So after the oil has been heated on medium-low, so make sure it's on medium-low and not high, because then it's just gonna bubble everywhere. You want to just drop in the batter. So you're just making like little puffs of these basically. So just drop them all in. So while you're frying them, so you can just turn them in like halfway through, and then they should be golden brown. This takes around like about 2 minutes, but this is the color you want to aim for. So not too dark, but pretty light brown. So now after just boil some water. So we're just doing that in a kettle, and we're going to put the dahi balla in there that we just fried. So yeah, you just want to soak them in there. So you just want to let these soak in the water for about like 5 minutes, and you just want to take them out after, and this is what they look like. And this is the water that they came out of, so you can just dump that out. And so then you want to get some yogurt, plain yogurt, and we're just whisking this. So I added a little tiny bit of water in there actually. And this is actually homemade yogurt, so I can do a video on that too. So then you just want to drop in the balla, and then we're just going to drop them in the yogurt. And then we're going to add some black salt here, black salt and black pepper in there actually. I will say 1 teaspoon, and then 2 to 3 teaspoons of chaat masala. And then, oh my god, this one's so good. We're gonna add also like 2 to 3 teaspoons of this dahi balla chaat masala, and this is so good, you guys. And right here, we're just crushing up some bhujia jeera. If you don't have this, you can leave it out. But so it's basically roasted cumin. Now we're just grinding that and putting it in there. And this is some red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. And my favorite part, we're adding the imli chutney. This is tamarind sauce, basically chutney, and it's homemade. Oh, it's so good. So you just want to add that in there. I would say around 3 to 4 tablespoons, but it's different for each person. Like you can add more or less after if you prefer. And because everyone eats all of these, we had to make another batch of this, and this is in a bigger bowl, but same thing here. And this is what you're left with. It is absolutely delicious, and this is so easy to make, guys, so please try it out and let me know how you like it. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.